Yeah.
So, good evening. How are you?
Yeah. Right now I am very well. And you?
Yeah, I'm also quite fantastic. Thank you so much for
Uh,
asking.
so it
So,
is our first conversation. So I want to ask something about you.
of course, I would be happy to go for introduction. So, this is
Yes.
Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. When it comes to my profession, I'm working as an accountant. Apart from this, I'm
Okay.
graduate person. I did PG with computer. And these
Okay.
days, when I get free time, so I love to talk some co-learners and YouTuber with a view to enhance my communication skill. And
Okay.
sometimes the same content I upload on my YouTube channel to progress
Yes.
my to take my progress and share my knowledge as well. Yeah, this is all about me.
Yeah. And you have completed your BTech degree.
No, no, I didn't complete my BTech. I have completed graduation. Graduation. I am graduate person and I did PG, post graduation diploma.
Okay. Okay. Post graduation. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Yeah.
would like to
So
listen to you
which
as well
district are
because
you from? Which district you from?
I am from Amethi, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would like to listen to you as well. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Yeah. My name is Mohammad Sadiq. Basically, I am from Rampur, UP. Now currently live in Delhi at Shaheen Bagh. And I have completed my bachelor degree from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University. And
Mhm.
right now I am working in IT company.
Okay.
And at I am utilize my free time with the conversation. And I am a beginner in English. So my hobbies are watching technical video on YouTube and reading novels also.
Oh,
So
that's great.
it is
Very. I'm thrilled to hear
yes.
you because you have a lot of hobbies and you're working professional. That's very wonderful. Okay, so I want to
Yes.
know how long have you been working on your communication skill?
Yeah, I have completed 1 month from my conversation. Before
Okay.
1 month, I realized most of the people. I went Himayu Tom, so most of the people
Mhm.
conversation in English. So I decided why I'm not, why
Right,
am
right.
I? Yeah. So I started my
Okay.
journey. So before 1 month, I start my journey every day. I read newspaper, novels also, and
Mm-hmm.
I am writing 2 and 3 pages about the any topic
Okay.
like employment, unemployment, and atmosphere, daily life, and daily college, daily schools also, and daily
Mhm.
health and daily atmosphere. Every day I choose any topic and I write a 2 and 3 page
Oh my
every
God,
day.
you are putting your full dedication toward this language,
Yeah,
and
right
you
now I
are.
have a little bit time, so I want to utilize my time with the conversation. So
Mhm.
I am giving my level best from my for my conversation. So I am beginner. I am speaking little bit. Before 1 month, I am speaking only. I am not able to speak one sentence in English. But after some time,
Oh.
I realize I am speaking not a correct and incorrect, but I am speaking. And
Mm.
most of the time, I am connected with the person and video call, audio call also. So video call is playing vital role, and they are remove my hesitation and it make my confidence level, eye contact also.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can understand you are totally mature person and you know what is what can you do to improve my communication skill. That's the reason you
Yes,
are
yes,
utilizing your time and you are doing many things regarding this language because I have seen many of them. They always ask about how can I speak
yes,
in
yes,
good way,
yes.
how can I speak in good way, how can I improve my communication skill,
My
how
communication is
I
skills,
can
yeah.
be fluent. But you are
Fluent,
doing the
yes,
things. That is the one idioms are very famous. I am able to recall. Action speaks
yes.
louder than words. That means whatever you
Love
are
them,
going to
yes.
do as a action,
Yeah,
that would be more better because a lot of people
yeah,
just they are thinking about to do something but they do not do. But you have
yes,
taken
yes,
action regarding your
yes,
English journey.
yes.
So I'm very sure you are going to get a wonderful response from your side. And you
Yes,
are doing
yes.
many things. The thing is that you are reading newspaper, you are watching YouTube videos. The very
YouTube
important
videos
thing
and
what I most
podcast
like in
also.
your journey,
Yes,
the thing what I most like in your journey, you are the person who love to write a lot, like 2 to 3
yes,
pages you write on the different topics and different situation. And this is
Situation.
good
Yeah.
because writing is very helpful. Whatever we are going to write on the paper,
Writing is
we
very
can
helpful
explain by the
for
word.
everyone. Yes.
Mm,
So
that is good, and you can utilize the
yeah.
same few new vocabularies in the
Every day.
writing, and the same vocabularies you can utilize in your conversation.
Yes. Yes. Every day I follow my daily routine. So
Mm,
one thing every day, one idiom uh, dedicate me. Early word get a worm, and
yeah,
crying is better than try.
right. Both are very
Yes.
important and very good idiom.
Yeah, both are very important. So every day I put this idiom
Mm,
on the board. When I woke up early in the morning, that's, oh my God, this is idiom. So
mm,
this is very energetic for me. Every day I woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock and I want to park, and I follow my daily routine every day.
mm.
And
Okay.
I spend my time with my job, with my books also. Every day I study 2 and 3 hours also,
Okay,
and
that's good. That's good.
I follow my daily routine. Sometimes I am facing lots of issues. Sometimes I am frustrated. What
Mm,
I will do? I am not speaking well, but sometimes
mm.
keep patience. Keep patience. This
Yeah,
time to
patience is
self
very
pass.
important. This is our second language.
Yeah,
This is not our native
yeah.
language. That's why.
Every day I think this time to self pass. This time to self pass. Every day I find every day myself before yesterday better. Every day
Mm,
I represent myself with the audience. Every day I make a front of the camera one video. I
mm,
stand front of the mirror and I make
mm.
a video. And after some time I listen when I am mistake in this conversation.
That's very good. Really, you are putting
Yeah.
your dedication and you are using better strategies that you can
Yes,
get your
yes,
level
yes.
and you can
And
speak very
sometimes I am
fluently. And don't
facing
worry, Danish, actually, you are
vocab problem, so I put a one dictionary. I have
okay.
a one dictionary. That dictionary name is Oxford Dictionary, and I
Hmm.
am using lots of app. I think Hind Khoj, and one app is another. I forget that name.
Hmm.
So every day I use when I travel. So I use my traveling time in my novel. That
Hmm.
time my companies take a time 1 hour, 2 hour. My travel time is my. So I use my time with my novels every day. Right now, I am reading one novel. That name is "Living in God Glory." So
Okay.
this is a very good novel. I should everyone one time try this.
I mean, what kinds of things are you getting
Yes,
over there? In which sense, in which terms, this book is very much good. In the
yeah,
term
yeah,
of the
yes.
vocabulary, term of the sentence structure, and term of the story. Why
The
are you
story,
telling
yes,
this is very
yes,
important for
yes,
people?
yes, yes, yes.
So tell me about that book. Why is it important?
This important make a faith your broad because
Okay.
where I search God, God is
Hmm.
everywhere. But where you are search,
Hmm.
this
Where you are looking,
book
where you are
tell
searching.
about the God only. Most of
Hmm.
the chapter, most of the topic tell about the God. Where will you
Hmm.
search? God.
Hmm. Okay.
God is everywhere in the world.
Absolutely all right. Absolutely all right.
Yes.
So I want to know actually, you have been working in IT company for a long time, I think.
No, no,
So
I
I
am working only 2 years.
oh 2 years. Oh, it's also good
Yeah.
experience in 2 years. This is not very much less, but yeah, you have
No,
experience of
no,
2 years.
sorry, bro.
So
I am
you
beginner.
have
I don't
been
have a good experience.
yeah. The question is that you have been working over there for 2 years. So why did you
Yes.
think now to learn this English language? Because you are getting a good package over there. Maybe you have a good atmosphere, or you have crossed 2 years over there. So why do you think right now to learn this language?
Yeah, I want to grow myself. I want to achieve my goal in my life. So
Hmm.
English is a very necessary for corporate sector. So right
Hmm.
now I am working in a small company. So after some time, I want to switch the MNC's company.
Okay.
So MNC need to excellent communication. So I decided I should do my level best and I should do my conversation and my communication skill. So I decided before 1 month, and I put some chits front of the mirror, and
Okay.
uh, and every day I comb, so that chit dedicate me, and I woke up, so that chit dedicate me, and
Okay.
I am sitting to study, so that chit is dedicate me. Every day that chit playing a vital role in my life, because every day I saw that chit. So that chit remember my goal every day. In my room, I am living alone,
So
so
I
that
want to
chit
know.
helpful for me.
I want
Yes,
to ask you one question. What does it mean by cheat? Does it mean by cheat? That mean something you
chit,
have pasted on
chit.
the paper, like piece of paper?
Yeah. Piece of paper.
Could be
I
any
am.
quote, could be any spiral word, inspiring any
Yes,
quotation
yes,
like this.
yes. I am
Okay.
writing that word on the chit, and
Hmm.
I stick the ball and mirror and study table also. So
Hmm.
that chit dedicate me
Yeah,
always.
absolutely all right. That's the things always
Yes,
people dedicate. They can get some positive vibe
yes,
from there.
yes. Every
Hmm.
day, one chit dedicate me. What is your goal? Every day, what is
Hmm.
your goal? So
That's
I
great.
search
Great.
best way. Every
Mhm.
day, I search my best way to achieve my goal.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand. Actually, when
Yes,
we feel something, when we realize something, then we
yes,
always be motivated and be positive.
yes.
Hmm.
Sometimes I am living alone, and
Hmm.
sometimes I am very frustrated. When I come back my office, so I am
Hmm.
very frustrated. What I will do after some time,
Why are
because
you
I
very
am
much
not.
curious to learn
Yes,
this
I am
language
not able
very,
to
very
speak
soon?
in
Without.
proper manner and a proper way. So
Hmm.
what I will do?
The question is that
Yeah.
why do you
But
want to enhance this
one chit is
communication
dedicate
skill
me this
in very
time to
short
self
time?
us. This chit is a playing vital role in my life, because this chit dedicate me this time to self us. This time to self us.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah. This
okay.
chit is a playing vital role.
Hmm.
When I have a free time, I right now I am working on my conversation and my communication. So I
Hmm.
utilize my time with the novels. So
Okay,
my hobbies also reading book. So
okay.
when I get a free time, so I read the novels every day.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
in the morning, I am watching 2 and 3 video, and
Okay.
in office free time I am watching technical video related to my work every day.
Okay.
So this video playing a
Hmm.
vital role in my life, because one idiom is remember always, crying is better than try.
Right, right, right.
Yes,
Absolutely all right. You are working and you are getting some benefit of
yes, yes,
idioms. That's the reason you
yes,
are doing it. That's fantastic.
yes. Yeah, one
Okay.
idiom is also remember
Hmm.
that I think that uh, in a day, उसका idiom का नाम क्या है?
No pain, no gain.
No, no. Rome built in a day.
Rome
Rome,
built in a day.
yes.
What
Rome was
does it mean in Hindi?
क्या इसका मतलब है कि कोई भी चीज एक दिन में नहीं होती है.
Right, right. Absolutely all right. I got it this point, but I wanted to listen from your mouth.
Yes.
Okay, so that means you are totally indulging in these idioms and you are processing your
Yes.
thought with the help of these kind of idioms.
Idioms, yes.
Okay,
Because
okay. So
I
what do
put
you
that
do?
type of idiom on
Hmm.
my focus way, because I
Hmm.
enter my room. So one idiom is I open my gate. So one idiom dedicate me this time to self pass. When I am feeling nervous and that I am feeling very happy, तो this time to self pass मतलब ये वक्त भी चला जाएगा, ये वक्त भी गुजर
Right,
जाएगा.
right.
Yeah.
So
So
what
that
are the things
I
are
am
you doing
feeling well.
to memorize your idioms and vocabulary? Because you are so much curious. You are very
Yes.
inquisitive person to learn this language. You are so
Yes.
strenuous person. So I want to
Yes.
know what are the things are you do to enrich your vocabulary and enrich your idioms, because whatever we are learning, we are enjoying, whatever we are getting, we are speaking. But if we
Yes.
want to implement some new words, if we want to implement some new idioms and phrases in our conversation, so it is
Yes.
very difficult to implement in our conversation, because
But
while speaking sometimes we do not get. So do you
yes.
do anything
Yes.
very much special to add some new vocabularies, to add some new idioms in our conversation? Do you like to
Yeah.
do anything?
Every day I search a new vocabs. I think a cognitive development is a mentally development. So
Right.
first of all, I use in my writing. I
Hmm.
use this vocabs at 3 and 10 to 12 time. So every
Okay.
time it is remember. So
Hmm.
I think I use this vocab. I think sports is a playing vital role in our life. It is make a cognitive and motor development in our life.
Hmm.
We can say
Hmm.
physical fit and fine, physically
Hmm.
and mentally fit and fine.
Right.
Yeah. So I write some vocabs in our writing. So it is playing a vital role. It is a not hard.
I can understand. Actually,
Yes.
a lot of
Yes.
people they want to implement new vocabularies in their conversation, but they do not do extra
Yes.
efforts. So you are
Yeah.
putting extra effort. That's the reason you are
Sometimes
able to understand it. This
yes,
is a piece of cake for
sometimes
you. This is
vocab
not
is
a very
not
much
fit in
hard not to crack.
speaking. But
Hmm.
I try first of all in my writing. When I facing lots of challenges in my writing, so I search on Google and Google Translate
Right.
also.
Right.
So they
Right.
give me good answer for the vocabs.
Absolutely, all right. Absolutely, all right.
Yes.
Doing hard work towards anything, it could be piece of cake.
Piece of
So
cake.
it
Yes, yes. You can
it will be
piece of.
good. Whatever you are doing, so you are going to enjoy your life, and you will get lot of improvement in a sort of time, because you are putting a lot of dedication, you are putting a lot of
Yes,
efforts toward this language.
yes,
You are going to get
yes.
your labor whatever you want. Hmm.
Yeah, I make a 2 and 3 friend. He is from South Indian. They are always speaking English. So they are
Okay.
playing vital role in my life. When I discuss with them, so I definitely speak in English. So
Oh, that's
this is
fantastic.
good for me.
Hmm. Making a friends for the conversation, this is also very much good, because
Very much.
earlier I
Yes,
did it.
yes,
Earlier I did when I started learning this language at that time. For the rapid fire, for the grammar, I used to talk a lot. I
yes.
used to
Oh,
talk with
oh,
my
yes,
friends. So
yes,
this is
yes,
also a wonderful trick when we follow this trick to talk any particular person, and each and every
particular.
day we are going
Yes,
to consult something, we are going to discuss something, we are going to aware of some grammar part. So
yes,
it
yes.
would be really
But I
beneficial for us.
observe in this climate, most of the people had a good knowledge, but they are not speaking well. But they are
Hmm.
not practicing. But
Right.
they have a lots of knowledge in grammar in English,
Hmm.
and every time uh, he observe my mistake in my speaking time, but they are not speaking well because they are
Yeah,
not trying to
they are
speak
not
with the
actually.
other person.
This is skill, this is not something else. This is a skill. If you want to develop this
Yeah,
skill, so you
yes,
have to work
yes.
on it. And grammar is
Yeah,
something
every
different.
skill takes a time
Grammar
in
is should be
life.
something subjective
If
part.
you, yes, yes, yeah. If you want to earn any skill, so it take time.
Yeah, yeah,
It is take dedication
yeah, yeah,
and
absolutely all
influence
right.
also.
Absolutely all right. To improvement any skill, it's take time. It is not
Yes,
gonna to
yes,
be happen in sort of time, in a period of time. You have to pay a time as much as need for that particular skill.
yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Right, right, right. So okay, Sadiq, it was very, I think, wonderful session with you, and
Yeah,
I have
yes,
enjoyed
yes.
your speaking.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay,